In this video, I'll show you how to set reminders in Outlook for follow-ups. If you want Outlook to remind you to reply to someone, check on a message later, or follow up on an email you already sent, the easiest way is to use a flag with a reminder. Microsoft explains that flagged emails can be turned into follow-up items, and then you can add a reminder with a specific date and time so Outlook alerts you when it is due. Let's start with an email you already have in your inbox. Select the message first. In Outlook, you can usually click the flag icon to mark it for follow-up, but if you want an actual reminder, open the follow-up options and choose Add Reminder. Microsoft says that in the Reminder window, you can set the flag text, turn the reminder on, and choose the date and time when the alert should appear. If you are using Classic Outlook on Windows and the message is open, go to Message, then Follow Up, then Add Reminder. You can also use Ctrl plus Shift plus G to open the Custom Flag window directly. From there, choose a label such as Follow Up, or type your own action text, then set the reminder date and time and click OK. Microsoft's Outlook shortcut guide confirms Ctrl plus Shift plus G for adding a custom flag, and Microsoft's follow-up guide shows the follow-up greater than add reminder path. This also works for emails you send. If you're writing a message and want Outlook to remind you to check whether someone replied, Microsoft says you can add a follow-up reminder before sending the email. Open the message, choose Follow-up, then Add Reminder, and set a date and time for yourself. Microsoft specifically recommends this because once the message is sent, it may sit out of sight in your Sent Items folder. You can even flag a message for the recipient too, but Microsoft suggests using that carefully because a recipient reminder creates an alert on their side if they also use Outlook. In many cases, reminding yourself is the better option. To review your follow-ups later, Outlook keeps flagged messages easy to find, and Microsoft notes that flagged messages can also appear in your task and to-do views, depending on your Outlook setup. So the process is simple. Select the email, choose Follow-up, click Add Reminder, set your date and time, and save it. That's how to set reminders in Outlook for follow-ups. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.